Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your comment on Instagram story. So let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Find and open the Instagram story in which the comment you want to delete is posted. Now, tap the comment icon from the bottom left corner. Long press and hold onto the comment that you want to delete until a menu appears. Finally, tap on the delete option and delete the comment. And this is how you can delete your comment on Instagram story. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.